a new record. What a bad record.
Oh.
Horrible. You threw it?
You're disgusting. I can't do it.
There's a shark!
It's too disgusting. I have to pee really bad.
Destin, Florida! Woo!
So good up there.
Who's serving? Oh.
Oh, yeah!
Point match.
Good, Agassi.
Point match.
Whoever gets this point wins.
Sitting there.
Match point. Tim wins. Da, 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 da.
You can always run to the shower and that's all.
Oh.
Tim wins.
10 hook.
No, it's not.
10 hook.
Oh, man.
Tim.
Oh,
Tim
Seth,
wins.
stop
Tim
it.
wins.
Yeah, we could put
Gosh,
up
I'm gonna cut this out.
Yeah.
Annoying.
It was fast.
Yeah. Nobody's using it, though. Volleyball net?
I did not know.
Last day. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the last day in Florida.
Oh, that'd be bad.
Fox News should be coming. We found 5 tar ball from the oil spill.
The worst. Boom. Man, you guys are not beating your record at all.
Ah.
You guys are doing horrible now since you guys are going far apart.
Horrible. Well, they're against each other. This is a competition. They're trying to mess each other. Oh.
Tim's fault.
Point match. Shane wins.
Oh, nice move.
Point match. Tim or Shane wins.
Tim. Boom. 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 What's that?
Tim wins.
Ah,
Oh, you were right.
I'm dying over here. One more. Ah.
Negative.
Ah.
Ah.
Shane wins.
Done.
You won most rounds.
Competition.
Did?
You won 2.
Who's up?
So who won?
Shane won 1.
Who won the whole thing? Tim?
Yeah, because you got 2.
Oh, okay.